Here you can see a Chinese local fruit shop. In China there is so many fruits you can buy from here. This is blackberry, the big blackberry, and there is fresh strawberry. You can see the strawberry is so much fresh. You can just take it from here and just eat with anything. You don't need to do anything. And there is a little cherry. So this is my most favorite food here in China, the cherry. And you can see the peach. The peach is soft inside and so wet. And there is a Chinese tomato. They made it with some interesting thing. The tomato is made in water. You know that, in water. The tomato is made in water, but I don't know how they make it. But it's totally fresh, without any soil. They prepared without any water. The production the tomatoes. There is so many tomatoes. The tomatoes is one kind of fruit for Chinese people. They just take it from here and just wash it a little bit and eat like you eat like grapes or you eat cherry, that kind of thing. Here in China you always can find some fresh mangoes. You can see there is mangoes. There is
one kind of melon.
that is one kind of melons. You can see here there is so many fruits and fresh fruits. And the guy here, she is selling her melons in some offer sale. You see the mic voice. It means they are selling it with lower price, and I think it's saying less price, come here, less price, come here. Okay.